Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Love from Lizi's August 2023 Super Kit is now available. Now generally she does her Super Kits in September, but with summer plans she decided to push it up to August. This Super Kit always has a ton of product. If you are interested in subscribing or purchasing the kit, I do have links provided in the description box below. The August Super Kit is called Live, Love, Laugh. The kit includes 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. We have a navy blue, a dark green, craft, white, and red. There's a half sheet of specialty cardstock, really sparkly white glitter paper, and the glitter does not shed, so it won't make a big mess on your desk. For pattern paper this month, there is a ton. Lizi's included 40 double-sided sheets of 12 by 12 pattern paper. I'll try to go through the papers quickly since there are so many. Beautiful colors, there's coral pinks, yellows, lots of craft, dark blue, there's a little bit of purple, a mint green color. Several of the designs have cut-apart images. Some are larger, these would be a 6 by 6 inch, but you could cut the sentiment pieces down smaller. There are also a couple of sheets with smaller images and icons. Here's a fun floral heart design. This sheet has lots of smaller squares that you could easily cut apart. There are several sheets with oval floral wreaths. Here's a sheet with small circle images, so you could easily cut those out with a circle die. Lots of polka dots, florals. Several of the sheets have sentiments. Some of them have border strips. There is a fun variety, and as you can see, I'm still going. Lots and lots of paper included in the kit. And I probably should have zoomed out more so you can really see how much paper is included in this kit. If you like to make cards larger than A2 size, this would be a great kit. It's also perfect for scrapbooking with all the 12 by 12 sheets. And I think Lizi decided that wasn't enough pattern paper, so she also included a couple of smaller pattern paper sheets. Next, there are 2 sheets of decoupage images and sentiments. These are always fun to layer up together. You could do all of the layers or just use a couple of them. And they are numbered so you know the order of all of the layers. The designs are so pretty with all the lovely florals around the sentiments. Next we have 2 designs of tissue paper. It's a little thicker than a standard tissue paper. There are 2 sheets of each of the designs, and they do coordinate with the pattern paper. The coloring is slightly different than the pattern paper. You can see the similar yellow design in the upper left-hand corner. The tissue paper has more of a golden color to it. Next is a sheet of cut-aparts. They are perforated, so you could easily tear those apart, or you could use your paper trimmer. And there's also a sheet of coordinating stickers. And both of the designs are very similar to the cut-apart pattern paper sheets. The peel-off sheet that's included in the kit is a beautiful bright red color with gold overlay. It'll add beautiful contrast against the pattern paper colors. Here's a look at this stamp set, and it's a large stamp set this month. I believe it's 6 by 8 inches. There are lots of fun images that don't need to be colored. We have the entire alphabet and several sentiments. There's hello, for you, with love, and just because. The kit also includes a lovely floral embossing folder. It's a fun, whimsical looking floral design that goes nicely with the overall look of the kit. There are 10 coordinating tags. You'll get 5 in yellow and 5 in a floral design with a sentiment banner. And they do have a small eyelet at the very end. So super easy to pop some twine through it and tie a little bow. There are 4 sentiment toppers, 2 different sentiments, and you'll get 1 in gold foil and 1 in silver foil. There's thank you on a scallop oval, and with love on a little label design. And all of the toppers have a piece of foam dimension on the back. For embellishments this month, there's a full sheet of gem stickers, 4 different colors, 2 shades of yellow and 2 shades of gold. Lizi's also included a full sheet of black foam dimension since she does have 2 sheets of the decoupage. And she's included this foam dimension before. The backing comes off super easy. There are 3 chipboard Polaroid frames in white. These are fun to feature an image or sentiment on the inside, or you could use them to make a shaker. The die this month is a chicken, and it's a fun design with lots of detail. Next we have some pre-tied bows. I believe there's a total of 12, 6 different designs since you'll receive 2 of each. And all of the ribbons match with the pattern paper. The yellow pattern has some green foliage. The off-white has some yellow and pink flowers. The blue has lots of flowers. There's a purple with white polka dots. Another off-white has the sentiment happiness and joy. And the pink has the sentiment live, love, laugh with some tiny flowers. The final item that's included in the kit is a white gel pen. It'll be fun to add little detail to some of the pattern paper images. So that's everything that's included in the August 2023 Super Kit. I did receive a few add-ons. There are 2 peel-off packs. The set on the left is all pinstripe. It includes mint moon dust, white, gold, and lemon glitter. The set on the right is the variety bundle. There are gold mini hearts, mink in straight, white with gold overlay in pin, and white sway. The next add-on is the pearlescent cardstock bundle. There are 6 sheets. It includes white, a really light pink, purple, gold, red, and a warm brown color. I always enjoy using Lizi's pearlescent cardstock along with her card kits. Lizi does have a special edition card kit this month. This is not part of the monthly subscription. It's called Forever Friends Special Edition. There are 5 sheets of pearlescent cardstock. There's a light blue, a mint green, white, light pink, and red. Here's a look at the pattern paper that's included. These are A4 size. They're slightly narrower than an 8.5 by 11 sheet and a little bit longer. So here I'm comparing it with the pearlescent cardstock. These are single-sided. Several of the sheets have a beautiful glitter finish that's sealed, so it won't make a mess. We have this beautiful blue with butterfly and floral borders. Pink, red, and white stripes. The lovely pink design does have some of that glitter finish. You have some blue and pink hearts. Green background with white butterflies, flowers, and hearts. It's a red pattern with very subtle tiny hearts on the background. Blue, green, white, and yellow stripes. Another glitter heart design with some green flowers. A blue design that's similar to the pink with that glitter finish. And finally, a red design with the sentiment, love you, all over it, and some tiny little butterflies. The kit also has 10 more of the same pattern paper, just on a smaller scale. It's about 5 7/8 inch by 8 1/4 of an inch. So you can see they're all the same design, just a little bit smaller. And they also have that glitter finish that's sealed on the paper. There's a sheet of punch-out tags. Lots of adorable little bears and lovey sentiments. And they pop out easily, so you don't need to do any fussy cutting. Lizi has included a sheet of peel-offs. This is the heart border style in red mirror. For embellishments, there's a sheet of gem stickers. 3 different sizes in 4 colors. There's red, light pink, clear, and a darker pink. There's also 1 meter of red ribbon. Really bright, bold red color. The next item is a bag of wood pieces, and Lizi's included quite a few. It includes hearts and butterflies. There are 3 of each of the heart designs. You'll get a total of 12, so 4 different designs. The butterflies are all the same design, and you'll receive 10. You can use these as is with the natural wood look, or you can color them. I like to heat emboss them with embossing powder, And if you aren't aware, Lizi does sell a wide variety of different embossing powder colors. The final item that's included in the kit is the set of dies. It is all numbers plus some of the letters to go with it. So if you want first, you have the 1 and then the ST, and it has all of the numbers from 0 to 9. This is a great set to have on hand to do customized birthday cards, anniversary cards, anything that needs some numbers. So that's everything that's included in the Forever Friends Special Edition kit. And there are some add-ons available that go along with the kit. Mine didn't make it into the box, but I will have those later. Now here's another look at Love from Lizi's August 2023 Super Kit and also the Forever Friends Special Edition kit. If you are interested in subscribing or purchasing the kits or any of the add-ons I showed in this video, I do have links provided in the description box below. And I only showed you a few of the add-ons. Lizi always has a wide variety of fun add-ons you can purchase to coordinate with her kits. And I will have a link for the August add-ons in the description box. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card videos using each of the kits. And I have a feeling I'll be making more than 10 cards with the Super Kit because there is a ton of pattern paper included. With all the general sentiments included on the stamp set, I think this will be a great kit to make cards to donate. With the larger size pattern paper, it'll be easy to make multiples of the same card. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.